we are seeing a pretty flat open for the Korean markets ahead of the Bank of Korea rate decision coming up in just about an hour's time. We are seeing some losses, though, for Samsung Group shares on the Kospi. We saw some steep losses for Samsung SDS and Cheil Industries, the holdings company of Samsung Group, yesterday over concerns of the scale of Samsung Group's family members' inheritance tax, possibly affecting the financial status of some affiliates. We are seeing Samsung Electronics opening down for another day, down 0.8%, but we are seeing gains for the other affiliates like Samsung C&T, its building arm, and Samsung Electromechanics, which is its parts producer for its smartphones. So we are seeing a bit of a comeback for Samsung Group shares. Take a look at the refiners today. Lower global oil prices did mean some losses for these names in the past week. SK Innovation, GS Holdings, S-Oil all were lower this week. We are seeing a rebound for S-Oil and SK Innovation this morning. S-Oil actually up more than 1.1%. We did see a steep sell-off on lower oil prices in the past week. Also, the shipbuilders are showing a similar picture. We are seeing a rebound after some losses for Hyundai Heavy Industries, Samsung Heavy, and Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine as well. And also take a look at the autos. The Hyundai Motors is seeing continued buying from foreign investors. It has been rallying this past week on foreign investors buying the autos on $1 gains, and also Hyundai Motors having completed its preliminary planning talks internally on building possibly a second plant in the U.S. So check on the Korean markets at the open.
Many
Bernie,
times.
back to you.
Okay, June on the Seoul trail there.